So hello everyone. Now it's time to learn how to deploy Azure container instances. So in my previous video I have uh, showed you how to create web app in Azure portal. So now I'm showing you how to deploy Azure containers instances. So to do that you have to go to the Azure portal after login. Then in search bar you have to write container instances. So to create that you have to click on create, then you have to choose the resource group. We have already created resource group, or if there is no resource group available you have to create this. Then you have to give a name of your container. It's like my container, and the region automatically come here because we choose this fundamental resource group. And now we have to docker hub here and ensure its image type is public, and now writing image just like Microsoft /sci hello world, and the system which is Linux and size 1.5 GB memory as it is. Leave it as default. Then we are moving to the network section. We have to put a DNS name. Okay, so other things are default here. So right now I'm putting a DNS name, just like my container DNS x1 as an example. I'm putting this one. Now we are moving to the advanced section, and we don't have to do anything here. Then I'm moving to the tag section. If you want you can put the name here so that in future you can search it using this name. Now we're moving to the review. So if validation is completed, or if you don't need to do anything, then there should be a green sign here. So we have to wait for some couple of minutes as the validation already passed. Now we are going to click on create button. Then we have to wait for deployment. It may take a couple of minutes to deploy. Okay, the process is in progress. We have to wait some minutes. Yeah, the deployment already done. So right now we are going to the resource group will be resource actually. So here a URL already created, my container DNS x1, the name we actually put there. So we have to copy it and we have to create another tab and paste the URL there and put enter. So as you see, container instances is created. If there would be any problem at the time of creating this container instance, this uh, page or view will not appear. So in this way we can deploy Azure container instances. Thank you.